So good. Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious baked chicken wings recipe. Stay tuned. Here are my seasoning. I have 1 teaspoon of thyme leaf, a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, a tablespoon of chicken seasoning, and a tablespoon of sazon seasoning. We're just going to dump that right in. And then we're going to drizzle a little bit of oil and mix everything together. Yes guys, so our wings are nicely seasoned. We're just going to let this marinate for about 30 minutes. And then we're going to turn our oven to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 30 minutes. Yes guys, so right now I'm just going to add the chicken wings to a baking tray. And like I said, you just want to bake it for about 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes guys, time for that taste test. So good. These wings are perfect, guys. Perfect. The spice is right, flavor is right. You know, perfect game day wings right here.